In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink your PSN account from Genshin Impact. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you go over to the official Genshin Impact website at genshin.highoverest.com, you can log into your account and use the Account tab to be redirected to the Account Management page, where you can go into the account security settings to see all your linked accounts. As you can see, I don't have a PSN account linked, but yours should display a link over here. You will notice that if you go over to this page and you try to unlink it, you do not see an unlink button related to your PSN account. This is because, as of today, HiOverest does not allow you to manually unlink your PSN account. What you have to do in order to unlink your PSN account is send their customer support an email. So send an email to genshincs@highoverest.com and inquire about unlinking your PSN account. They will reply to you in a couple of hours with a form that you have to fill in order to request an unlink. After you fill out this form with all of your account information, the customer support will be able to unlink your PSN account from Genshin Impact. Please note that this is the only official way to do this, and any alternative methods will not work. Only the customer support for HiOverest has the ability to unlink your PSN account. So, look for their email on their support page and ask them about the form that you have to fill to unlink your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlink your PSN account from Genshin Impact. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.